My YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to setting moto C plus mobile ringtone, and then after you can, if you just want to save your ringtone in Justin Biber, so first of all you can go your setting. This is sound and sound. So this is you can see 6 level is phone ringtone. So moto is motorized,
Hello, Moto.
and more ringtone you can choose your Google Play Store, uh, any music, and then choose. So whatever you choose, whatever can you choose. And whatever you can choose. So you can choose. I can Justin Bieber, and then your ringtone has saved. So to know more about your Moto C Plus mobile phone, please comment my in comment box. And if you thankful to your my video, if you see and if you like my video, please click like button. So thank you.